by Margaret Morales in 30 by 38 cm rounds. Special treatment version 1 starts with apple crystals that you can use to highlight some of the stars around her. So in this particular one, we've used it for this star, this, and this star. So you can kind of spread them out and use them on the smaller stars instead, like this one, and this one. Or you can sprinkle it so that you can have all of the stars have a little bit of that gold glisten. Celestine by Margaret Morales, 30 by 38 cm rounds. Special treatment version 2 now adds alexandrite, sprinkled in all of the blue areas. Celestine by Margaret Morales in 30 by 38 cm rounds. Version 3 now adds morganite crystals, sprinkled in all of the pink areas. This will complete the celestial look of the design and will really make Celestine look magical. Celestine by Margaret Morales in 30 by 38 cm rounds. Version 4 now adds star gems to the kit. These are the star gems. We're talking about this one and this one as well. More over here, and basically the star gems will replace the yellow stars on the diamond painting. So this adds an even more interesting dimension to your diamond painting. Not only do you have the crystals and the diamonds, but you also have actual gems and stars, like actual stars, to replace the star painting.